First five, enter the court. Push, pass to Colin. Colin, pass to number 0. 0, pass to number 32. Zero, pass to Charles. Charles, for 3. And all good. Defensive rebound on jersey number 6, Colin. Colin, pass to Chris. Chris. Traveling violation on jersey number 11. Omo. Setting up the play. Omo, pass to number 5. Pass to Pacino. Pacino driving. Pacino layup. Back by jersey number 11. Pass to number 0. Hit. Still by Tomo. Tomo, pass to number 4, Pacino. Pacino, spin for 2. Basket good on jersey number 4, Pacino. Score 2-0 in favor of Golden Peaks. Colin. Spin, Colin take for 2. Sana good. Defensive rebound on Chris. Chris for 2. Sana good. Rebound by Pacino. Pacino, pass to Haruki. Pass to number 4, Pacino. Kick ball violation on jersey number 4, Pacino. Colin, pass to Pick. Pick setting up the play. Pick. Number 6, Colin, winning the ball. Colin, out. Foul on jersey number 12. Move on a split on jersey number 6. First shot. First basket is no good on jersey number 6. Second shot. Second shot is good on jersey number 6. Colin. Haruki. Pass to Pacino. Pass to number 6. Basket good on jersey number 31, Haruki. Big for 2. Basket good on jersey number 0. Over. Pass to Haruki. Back to Tomo. Pass to number 12 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 12. Kaminaga. Colin. Pass to Charles. Charles fake for 2. Sanogo. Offensive rebound on Chris. Chris for 2. Basket good on jersey number 11, Chris. One bonus free throw on jersey number 11. One bonus shot on jersey number 11. So good, rebound by jersey number 6. Pass to Rupi. Pass to Tomo. Tomo. Pass to Taminaga. Back to Tomo. Pass to Haruki. Haruki. Pass to Tomo. Tomo for 2. So good. Rebound by Haruki. Back to Tomo. Yoshino driving. Same. Formosa ball. Big moving the ball. Big setting up the play. Big pass to Charles. Charles back to Chris for 2. Basket good on jersey number 11. Tomo. Pass to Ruki. Back to Taminaga for 2. Sanogut. Line for violation on jersey number 12, Taminaga. Collins setting up the play. Pass to number 32. Back to number 0, Big. Big fake. For 2. Foul on jersey number 6. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 0. First shot on jersey number 0. Substitution. First shot on jersey number 0. First shot is good on jersey number 0. Second shot is no good, rebound by jersey number 12, Taminaga. Pass to Pushino. Back to Tomo. Tomo. Back to Pushino. Pushino. Pushino back to Tomo. Tomo. Still by jersey number 11. Pass to number 6, Collins. Collins setting up the play. Pass to number 0, Big. Big. Spin. Rebound by Chris. Number 11 for 2. Isa lang, rebound by jersey number 34, pass to number 4, Pushino. Pushino, back to Taminaga. Back to Pushino. Pass to Taminaga. Back to Pushino for 3. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 6, Collins. Collins, pass to number 0, Big. Big, pass to Charles. And ball violation on jersey number 77. Golden Peaks ball. Three minutes remaining on the game clock. Pass to Tomo. Tomo, pass to number 34, back to Tomo. For 3! Isa lang good. The rest of the by Taminaga for 2. Foul on jersey number 4. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 12, Taminaga. Two bonus shot on jersey number 12. First shot. First shot is good on jersey number 12. Second shot. Second shot is no good. Rebound by jersey number 4. Number 4, pass to number 11. Back to number 6, Collins. Collins getting up to play. Collins driving for 2. Isa no good. Rebound by jersey number 11. Number 11 for 2. Back by jersey number 34. Rebound by jersey number 4, Pushino. Pushino, pass to Tomo. Pass to Aruki. Aruki for 3. 3 points. And jersey number 31. Colin. Moving the ball. Pass to number 11. Number 11, Chris for 2. Pushino, rebound on jersey number 34. Pass to number 4, Pushino. Pushino, still by number 77. Golden Beach ball. Substitution. Aruki, pass to Taminaga. Back to Pushino. Pushino fake. Pushino for 2. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 6, Colin. Colin, pass to number 29. Number 29 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 99. Tomo. Tomo, pass to Taminaga. Back to Tomo. Pass to Aruki for 3. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 12, Taminaga for 2. Putback is good on jersey number 12. Colin. Pass to number 77, Charles. Charles for 2. Offensive foul on jersey number 4. Aruki, pass to Tomo. Tomo, setting up the play. Pass to number 4, Pushino fake. Pushino drive for 2. Basket good on jersey number 4, Pushino. Steal by Tomo. Tomo for 2. Same ball. Substitution. 50 seconds remaining on the game clock. 50 seconds. Aruki. Pass to number 13, Tomo. Tomo driving for 2. Foul. Two bonus free throw on jersey number 13, Tomo. First shot on jersey number 13. First shot is no good on jersey number 13. Second shot. The ball by Colin, number 6. Colin, pass to number 99. 99. Take. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 32. 32, pass to number 33, back to number 99. Foul! Holding foul on jersey number 33.
Here first, I think.
Aruki, in the ball. Pass to Tomo. Tomo. Same ball. 23 seconds remaining on the game clock. 23 seconds. Tomo. Pass number 12. Number 12 driving for 2. Foul on jersey number 33. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 12, Kaminaga. First shot is good on jersey number 12. Second shot is good. Bowling, pass number 99. 99 dribbling the ball. 99 driving for 2. Foul on jersey number 4. Thirteen seconds remaining on the shot game clock. Number 90 spin or 2. Sanogo, dito on jersey number 33. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 33. Foul on jersey number 79. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 33. First shot is Sanogo on jersey number 33. 8 seconds remaining on the game clock. 8 seconds. First shot is good. Steal on jersey number 93. Golden Beach ball. Fushino. For 2. It will end the first quarter. The score 16-11 in favor of Golden Beach. Fushino. Setting up the play. Driving for 2. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 13, Tomo. Back to number 4, Fushino. Take. Aston Tomo for 3. Sanogo. Same ball. Haruki. Pass to number 42. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 6, Colin. Colin. Pass to number 99. 99. For 3. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 34. Pass to number 13, Tomo. Pass to number 4, Pashino. For 2. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 6, Colin. Colin. Number 93. Pass to number 77. 77. Pass to number 6. Stolen by number 4, Pashino. Pashino driving for 2. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 93. 93, pass to Colin. Colin for 3. Colin picks ball. Haruki, pass to Tomo. Tomo, back to Fushino. Fushino, fake. Fushino drive for 2. Basket good on jersey number 4, Fushino. Colin, pass to number 99. 99, pass to number 77, Charles. Stepping on the sideline. Golden picks ball. Tomo, pass number 4, Pashino. Back to Tomo. Tomo, pass to number 6, pass to Tomo. Tomo driving, Tomo for 2. Sanogo, rebound by number 6. Sanogo, rebound by jersey number 93. Pass to number 6, Colin. Out of bounds, Golden picks ball. Haruki. Pass to number 13, Tomo. Tomo. Moving the ball. Tomo. Pass to number 34. Stolen by jersey number 6, Colin. Basket good on jersey number 99. Tomo crossing the outfield. Pass to number 4, Pashino. Back to number 34. Still by jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, easy layup on jersey number 11. Haruki. Pass to Pashino. Pashino, pass to Tomo. Tomo, fake. Sideline violation on jersey number 13, Tomo. Three-point lead by Golden Pigs. Number 99. Number 99. Giving the ball, pass to Colin. Colin. Pass to number 99. Number 99. Pass to number 77 for 3. 3 points on jersey number 77. Tomo, pass to Pashino. Pashino for 3. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 11. Pass to number 99. 99, pass to Colin. Colin. Pass to number 99. Number 99 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 99. Tomo. Pass to number 31. Haruki. Haruki. Driving for 2. Foul on jersey number 11. Two shot on jersey number 31, Haruki. First shot is no good on jersey number 31. Second shot. Second shot is no good. Offensive rebound. Haruki for 2. Basket good on jersey number 31, Haruki. The score Fight out 20. Number 99. Dribbling the ball, number 99. Pass to number 77. For 3. Sanogo, the mercy dribble by Colin. Pass to Charles. Charles. Driving, Charles. Plays 2. Basket good on jersey number 77. Foul on jersey number 6. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 77. Only shot is no good. Run by jersey number 6. Pass to number 31. Arugi setting up to play. Arugi drive. Pass to number 13. Steal by jersey number 93. Number 93. Rebound by jersey number 15. Tomo. Tomo running the floor. Tomo for 2. Basket good on jersey number 13. Tomo. Score. Foul out 22. Number 99, pass to number 77, Charles. Pass to Chris. Pass to Colin for 3. 3 points on jersey number 6, Colin. Pass to Kaminaga. Pass in the half court. Kaminaga. Pass to Tomo. Tomo is by jersey number 11. Number 11, pass to number 99. Number 99 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 99. Aruki. Pass to number 4, Pushino. Pass to Taminaga. Taminaga for 2. It's no good. Rebound on jersey number 77. Pass to number 99. 99 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 99. Timeout, Golden Beach. Score 29-22 in favor of Formosa. And 20 seconds. Aruki. Pass to number 13, Tomo. Pass to number 31. Aruki. Pass back to Tomo. Still by jersey number 99. 99. Is your up on jersey number 99. Tomo setting up the play. Tomo. Spin by number 6. Pass to Aruki. Aruki for 3. It's no good. Defensive rebound by number 12. Number 12. It's no good. Rebound on jersey number 0. Big. Running the floor. Pass to number 99. 99. It's no good. Rebound by Aruki. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 10. Tomo driving. Tomo for 2. It's no good. Rebound on jersey number 6. Pass to number 99. Number 99, pass to number 77. 77, driving for 2. Isa lang, diba yung jersey number 13, Tomo, pass to Aruki. Aruki, pass to Tomo, pass to number 31, for 2. Isa lang, diba yung jersey number 4. Number 6, pass to number 99. Pass to number 0, Big for 2. Isa lang, diba yung jersey number 6. Pass to number 50. 50, pass to jersey number 31. 31. Dribbling the ball. 31 for 3. It's an over. Rebound on jersey number 6, Colin. Colin. Pass to number 99. 99. Pass to number 0 for 2. Easy basket on jersey number 0. 31. Haruki. Sharing up the play. Haruki. Take by Taminaga. Haruki. Foul. Foul on jersey number 89. Pass number 50. Black. Good. Rebound by jersey number 4. Number 89. Pass to number 6, Colin. Colin for 3. Very good. Rebound on jersey number 0, Big. 0 for 2. Is another. Rebound on jersey number 13, Tomo. Pass to Taminaga. Taminaga. Pass to number 50. Pass to number 13, Tomo. Tomo setting up the play. Screen by Taminaga. Tomo. Fake for 3. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 50. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 12, Taminaga. Back to number 50 for 2. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 6. 99, driving. Substitution. 30.6 seconds remaining on the game clock. 30.6 seconds. 0. Pass to Colin. Colin. High post. Colin. For 2. Isa lang, rebound by jersey number 0. Isa lang, rebound by jersey number 50. Haruki. Haruki. Pass to number 6. Number 6. For 2. Traveling violation on jersey number 6. 5.2 seconds remaining. 5.2 seconds remaining. Pass to Charles. Charles. For 3. 3 balls on jersey number 77. Score 26-22 in favor of Formosa. End of second quarter. Halftime break. of third quarter. Score 36-22 in favor of Formosa. Black ball, white ball, white ball. Formosa ball. Number 99, driving, number 99 for two. It's no good. Offensive rebound by jersey number 99, pass to number 11, Chris. Hook shot, it's no good. Rebound by jersey number 6. Rebound by number 12, Taminaga. Haruki, crossing down half court. Haruki, pass to Tomo. Tomo setting up the play. Tomo, pass to Piscino. Foul. Reaching foul by jersey number 69. First foul. First team foul. Pass to Tomo. Tomo, pass. Steal by jersey number 99. Steal by jersey number 6. Pass to number 12. Wait for 2. Foul. Shooting foul. Foul on jersey number 99. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 12. First shot on jersey number 12. First shot is no good on jersey number 12. Basket count. Number 69. Dribbling the ball. Number 69, Greg. Greg, pass to number 99. 99, pass to Colin. Colin, Lopez. Colin, pass to number 99 for 3. Isanogo, rebound on jersey number 69. Pass to number 99. 99 driving, 99 for 2. Isanogo. Rebound by number 4, Bushino. Bushino, pass to Haruki. Haruki, dribbling the ball. Haruki, pass to Tomo. Tomo for 3. Sanogo, rebound. Formosa ball. Out of bounds by jersey number 12. Colin, pass to Derek. Pass to number 99. 99, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 11. 11 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 11, Chris. Tomo. Pass to number 31. 31. Pass to Fushino. Fushino fake. Fushino. Pass to Haruki. Last touch on jersey number 32. Golden Pigs ball. Number 4. Fushino. Fushino. Fushino drive, Fushino, pass to Tomo, Tomo for 3. 3 balls on jersey number 13, Tomo. Number 99, dribbling the ball. Setting up the play. 99 driving for 2. Foul! Foul on jersey number 4, Fushino. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 99.
Fourth personal.
Fourth personal on jersey number 4, Fushino. Two bonus free throw on jersey number 99. against Sabatinus. Tomo sa ball. Pass to number 69, Derek. Derek, pass to number 11, Chris. Chris. Pass to 69, Derek. Derek dribbling. For two. Isa na good. Rebound na jersey number 34. Pass to number 31, Haruki. Haruki, pass to Tomo. Tomo for three. Isa na good. Rebound na jersey number 11, Chris. Pass to number 6, Colin. Colin, pass to number 99. 99, sharing up the play. Pass to Derek. Derek, pass to number 99. Traveling violation on jersey number 99. Substitution. 69 out. Jersey number 5 in. Number 13. Tomo. Tomo. Pass number 34. Still by jersey number 5, Tom. Tom, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 99. 99, pass to Tom. Back to Colin. Colin for three. It's a goal. Golden Peach ball. Homer, dribbling the ball. Homer. Homer. Pass to number 12, Taminaga. Pass to number 34, still by jersey number 6. Number 6, dribbling the ball, number 6. Dragging foul on jersey number 12. Baseline inbound. Pass number 32, play 2. Isa na good. Rebound on jersey number 11. Pass number 31, Haruki. Haruki driving. Haruki for 2. Isa na good. Rebound on jersey number 32. Pass number 99. 99. Pass number 6, Colin for 3. Isa na good. Rebound on jersey number 6. Haruki, pass to Tomo. Tomo. 4 minutes remaining on the game clock. Rebound by jersey number 32. Pass to number 99. 99. Setting up the play. Pass to Tom. Back to Colin. Colin. Back to Chris. Chris for 2. Setting the rebound on jersey number 6. Pass to Haruki. Still by jersey number 99. Pass to number 99 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 99. Haruki, crossing the half-court. Haruki, pass to Tomo. Back to Haruki for 3. 3 points on jersey number 31. Tom, setting up the play. Tom, pass to Colin. Colin, pass to number 99. Pass to number 32. 32. Back to Chris. Chris. Traveling violation on jersey number 11.
Exact.
2 minutes and 49 seconds remaining on the game clock. 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Tomo, pass to Haruki. Back to Tomo. Tomo, pass number 6. Back to Haruki. Haruki, pass to Taminaga. Taminaga, back to number 34. 34 for 2. Sarag, rebound on jersey number 6. Pass to number 0, Vic. Pass to number 77 for 3. 3 points on jersey number 77. Tomo. Setting up the play. Tomo, pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 34. Pass to Taminaga. Out. Foul on jersey number 33. 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining. 1 minute and 50. Pass to Tomo. Tomo driving for 2. Isanoglu, rebound on jersey number 33. Pass to number 6, Colin. Colin, running the floor. Colin, driving for 2. Isanoglu, rebound on jersey number 13. 13. Foul. Foul on jersey number 0, Big. Substitution.
Watch.
Please remove the watch. Watch. Everyone, Naruki. Pass to Tomo. Tomo, setting up the play. Tomo drive. Tomo for 2. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 12. Steal by jersey number 33. Pass to number 0. 0 driving for 2. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 6. Pass to number 91. Pass to Haruki. Pass to Tomo for 3. Sanogo, rebound on jersey number 33. Pass to number 6. Colin dribbling the ball. Pass to Big. 50 seconds remaining. Pass to number 33. 33 spin. Pass to Charles for 3. 3 balls on jersey number 7. Tomo setting up the play. Tomo. Pass to number 12. Taminaga. Same ball. Last touch on jersey number 0. Tomo. Pass number 12. Taminaga for 2. Foul on jersey number 32. 2 balls. Foul on jersey number 6.
Ilan ang seconds?
First shot on jersey number 12. First shot is no good. 28 seconds remaining on the game clock. 28 seconds. Rebound by jersey number 6. Still by jersey number 6. Colin. Pass to basket ball by jersey number 22. Still. Foul on jersey number 91. Golden Peaks already in the penalty.
Bro, ilang foul na po? Golden Peaks.
14 foul on Golden Peaks. Colin. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 22. Still by Tomo. Tomo running the floor. Tomo. Pass to number 6. For 2. Easy basket on jersey number 6. Colin. End of third quarter. Score 30-48 in favor of Formosa. 18-point lead by Team Formosa. 2 personal fouls. Opening of fourth quarter. Score 30-48 in favor of Formosa. Persino. Pass to Tomo. Tomo. Pass to number 31, Haruki. Back to Tomo. Back to Persino. Persino. Foul. Pushing foul on jersey number 4. First team foul on Team Golden Formosa. Haruki, pass to Persino for 2. Basket good on jersey number 4, Persino. Number 99. Number 99 setting up the play. Number 99, number jersey number 4 for 2. Isarago, rebound on jersey number 34. Back to number... Out of time. Formosa ball. Number 99, pass to Tom. Back to number 99. 99, setting up the play. 99, pass to number 11, Chris. Back to 99, for 2. Isarago, rebound on jersey number 34. Pass to number 31. 31, setting up the play. Pass to number 4. Number 4, Persino. Back to number 31, Haruki for 3. Isarago, rebound by jersey number 4. Home, pass to number 99. 99, pass to number 4, number 4. Still by jersey number 1, pass to Tomo. Tomo, pass to number 4, Persino. Persino driving. Persino for 2. Isarago, rebound. Rebound on jersey number 5, Tom. Pass to number 99, 99. Foul. Foul on jersey number 91. One personal foul and first team foul on jersey number 91. Number 99, pass to number 77 for 3. Isarago, rebound on jersey number 34. Golden takes ball. Haruki, pass number 13, Tomo. Tomo, pass to number 4, Persino, for 2. Isarago, Formosa ball. Charles, moving the ball. Charles for 2. Foul on jersey number 13. 2 bonus people on jersey number 77. First shot on jersey number 77. First shot is no good on jersey number 77. Basket good on jersey number 77. Score 32-49 in favor of Formosa. Pass number, still by jersey number 4. Pass number 99. 99. Robin, 99 for 2. Traveling violation on jersey number 99. Number 31. Pass to Persino. Pass number 89. Traveling violation on jersey number 4, Persino. Go. Pass to Charles. Pass to number 99. Number 99. Pass to number 77 for 3. Isarago, rebound on jersey number 4, Persino. Persino, running the floor. Persino for 2. Reaching foul. Free shot on jersey number 4. Pass to Pushino. Pushino driving for 2. Easy layup on jersey number 4, Pushino. Tom. Pass to number 89. Steal on jersey number 4, Pushino. Pushino. Pushino driving. Pushino. Foul on jersey number 99. Omar setting up the play, pass to Pushino for 3. Sanago, rebound on jersey number 5. Golden Kicks ball. Omar, passing number 91. Back to Taminaga for 2. Sanago, rebound on jersey number 12. Segundo. Pass to Pushino. Pushino. Pushino driving. Pushino for 2. Foul on jersey number 99. 2 bonus people on jersey number 4, Pushino. Fourth personal foul on jersey number 99. First shot is good on jersey number 4, Pushino. Second shot is good on jersey number 4. Number 99, moving the ball. 6 minutes remaining on the game clock. 6 minutes. Pass to number 92. 92 back to number 99. 99 driving. Foul on jersey number 91. Score 36-49 in favor of Formosa. Pass number 99. What a play on jersey number 99 and jersey number 93. Pass number 12. Pass number 13. Back to number 4. Pushino. Pushino driving. Pushino for 2. Isarago, the ball on jersey number 11. Number 99. Pass number 77 for 3. Isarago, the ball on jersey number 11. Pass number 77. Shooting foul. Foul on jersey number 12, Taminaga. 2 bonus people on jersey number 77. First shot. First shot is good on jersey number 77. Rebound by jersey number 12, Taminaga. Pass to number 41, Aruki. Aruki. Pass to number 4, Pushino. Pushino. Pass to Tomo. Tomo, back to Pushino. Pushino fake. Pushino drive. For 2. Shooting foul. Foul on jersey number 33. 2 bonus free throw on jersey number 4, Pushino. First shot is good on jersey number 4.
Number 33.
Second shot is good on jersey number 4. Pass to 99. 99. Passing backward. 99. Moving the ball. 99 for 2. The ball on jersey number 12. Pass to Tomo. Tomo. Pass to Pushino. Pushino. Pass to Tomo. Tomo. Pass to Aruki. Pass to Tomo. Tomo. Pass to Pushino. Pushino driving. Foul. Pushing foul on jersey number 93. First shot on jersey number 4.
Penalty. Penalty.
First shot is good on jersey number 4. Second shot. Second shot is no good by jersey number 12. After Pushino. Pushino, back to number 12, still by jersey number 11, pass to number 99. Number 99, dribbling the ball, 99. 99, dribbling the ball, pass to number 92. Number 92 fake. Traveling violation on jersey number 93. 4 minutes remaining on the game clock. 4 minutes. Tomo, pass to number 91 for 2. Block by jersey number 11. Same ball. Aruki, pass to Kaminaga. Kaminaga, driving for 2. Basket good on jersey number 12, Kaminaga. Number 99 crossing the half court. 99 setting up the play. Steal by Aruki. Aruki for 2. Basket good on jersey number 31, Aruki. Timeout, Formosa. In score 43-52 in favor of Formosa. 9-point lead by Team Formosa. Both teams already in the penalty. Seconds remaining. 3 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. Formosa ball. Pass to number 93. Back to number 0, Beat. Beat. Moving the ball. Beat for 2. Pass to number 93. 93 setting the play. 93. Pass to number 0. 0. Pass to number 11. Chris. Chris is spin. Chris for 2. It's all good. Rebound by jersey number 12. Pass to number 13, Tomo. Tomo back to Pushino. Pushino driving for 2. Basket good on jersey number 4, Pushino. Colin. Colin. Crossing the basket. Colin. Violation on on jersey number 6, Colin. Substitution. Number 99 in, jersey number 33. Out. Aruki. Aruki. 17. Still by jersey number 6. Basket field on jersey number 0. Number 31. Pass number 13, Tomo. Tomo, pass number 12, Taminaga. Taminaga, back to Tomo. Tomo. Same ball. Pass number 4, Pushino. Pushino driving. Steal by jersey number 99. Steal by Tomo. Pass number 0. Easy 2 on jersey number 0. Timeout, Golden Beats. Minutes and 2 seconds remaining on the game clock. 2 minutes and 2 seconds. Number 13, Tomo. Tomo. Pass to number 91. 91. Pass to number 12. 42. Pass to good and jersey number 12. Number 99. Number 99, setting up the play. 99. Moving, 99. Rebound on jersey number 99. Foul. Two bonus people on jersey number 93. First shot is no good on jersey number 93. Score 47-56 in favor of Formosa. Second shot is good on jersey number 92. Haruki, pass to number 12. Kushino, driving, pass to Tomo. For 3, is all good. Rebound by Taminaga for 2, back by jersey number 11. Rebound on jersey number 12. Foul. Taking a foul on jersey number 13.
What's wrong with him? That was intentional.
Taking out free throw is good on jersey number 6. Formosa, Golden Peaks ball, Golden Peaks. First shot is no good on jersey number 12. Second shot on jersey number 12. Second shot is good on jersey number 12. Number 99. That's number 11. Two bonus free throw on jersey number 99. Both teams are already in the penalty. Number 6. Colin, pass number 99.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Same ball. 57.3 seconds remaining on the game clock. 57.3 seconds. Pass number 77 for 3. It's an over. The pass is driven by jersey number 11. Pass number 99 for 2. Basket good on jersey number 99. Pass number 13. Bomo for 3. Senolo, baba on jersey number 11. Pass number 99. 99. 30 seconds remaining. Pass number 77 for 2. Senolo, baba on jersey number 34. Pass to Bomo. Bomo, pass to a rookie. Steal by jersey number 6. Colin, for 3. Senolo, baba on number 0. Pass to Colin, pass to number 99. 10 seconds remaining. Both teams shake hands. The score 48-60 in favor of Formosa.
Thank you.